Hello everyone, welcome to SP Global Guru channel. So now today we are starting number system lecture number 3. Number system lecture number 3. So we have already finished our number system lecture 1 and lecture 2. In lecture 2 we have completed up to the 8 points. Now today point number 9 in lecture 3, that is odd numbers. So at first we have to know what is the odd number. So you know well, any number which is not divisible by 2 is called odd number. So odd number is what? Just like 1, 3, 5, 7. All the numbers are odd numbers. So the number which is not divisible by 2 is odd number. In other words, you can say that those numbers which are not even is called what? Odd numbers. Okay. So now the question is, in point number 9, the first point is, that is sum of all odd number. Sum of all odd number from 1 to n. Sum of all odd number from 1 to n. Or you can write find 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 up to suppose 29. Okay. So both questions are same. So sum of all odd number from 1 to n. So there is a simple technique to find the sum of any odd number from 1 to n. So what is the simple technique? Technique is that this is last number n, so n plus 1 by 2 whole square. This is our correct answer. So here find sum of 1, 3, 5, 7 to suppose here also written what? N. So our answer will be what? Same, n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay. Now I am explaining lot of example based on that. So you see the first example, just like this is question, find sum of all odd number from, suppose we are taking a smaller 1 to 7. So find sum of all odd number from 1 to 7. We will solve this question by the both method. That is tricky method and basic method. First you see what is the basic. So this is basic method is what? The sum of all odd number from 1 to 7. So 1 to 7 odd number is what? 1 odd number, and then 3 odd number, then 5 odd number, and then 7 odd number. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. So if we add this number, we will get 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 3, 15 plus 1, 16. So this is our correct answer. Now I am solving the same question with the basic. So what is the tricky method? See. So this is the trick. Trick is what? Simple trick is what? N plus 1 by 2 whole square. So here number is given 1 to 7. So n is what? That is 7. So simple technique is what? 7 plus 1 by 2 whole square. So 7 plus 1 is what? 8. So this is 8 by 2 whole square. That is 4 square is what? 16. So we found that here our answer is 16 and here our answer is 16. So both answer is same. So in this way we have found the same question by the basic and the tricky method. We found same answer. But in quantitative exams, aptitude exam, the question will be not up to 7. Question will be like what? That is up to any large number is given. So just if there is a large number is given, so just we can see here, so just like here 1 to 7. If my question is to find sum of all odd number, and from here given what? 1 to 99, right? So find sum of all odd number from 1 to 99. If we solve this question by basic, we will take lot of time. So technique is what? Simple answer is what? You can see last number 99. So 99 plus 1 by 2 whole square. So this is what? 100 by 2 whole square. So this is what? 50. So this is 50. So 100 by 2 is 50. So this is 50 square. And we will get what? 2500 correct answer. So we can solve very easily without, you can say, paper and pen. 99 is given. So 99 plus 100 by 250. So 50 square is what? 2500. In this way we can solve any question. Suppose one more example we are taking. Suppose our question is find sum of all odd number from 1 to, suppose it is given 40. So now sum of all odd number from 1 to 40. So last number is what? Even number. So my question is odd number. So we will not take 40 because 40 is the even number. So we will take what? Up to 39. This is 40 but we take up to what? 39. So my n will be what? 39. So again our answer is very simple. We can solve like n is 39. So 39 plus 1 by 2 whole square. So this is how much? 40. So this is 40 by 2 whole square, that is 20 whole square. 20 whole square is what? 400. So we can solve this question very easily. This is 1 to 40. So take and 39. So 39 plus 1 by 2 whole square. So 40 by 2, that is 20. So 20 square is what? 400. This is our correct answer. So this technique is very important. For this type of question we can solve in a very few seconds. Now see the next point. So now in the same odd number we are explaining the second point. Just like this is a question, find sum of first and odd number. So there is a difference. If the question is find sum of odd number from 1 to n and find sum of first and odd number. So both question is different. Okay. So find sum of first and odd number. What is the simple technique? Technique is what? Just to square the number, you will get your correct answer. See example. Just like this is a question. Find sum of first 5 odd number. So we are taking a simple example so that we can solve this question by the both method, that is the taking method and basic method. So question is find sum of first 5 odd number. So first to see what is the basic method for this question. So first 5 odd numbers, you know, first odd number is 1, second odd number is 3, and then 5, then 7, and then 9. So this is what? 5 odd number. When we add this 5 odd number, we will get how much? See. So this is 9 plus 7, 16, and 16 plus 5, that is 21, plus 4, that is 25. So our correct answer is what? 25. Now I am solving the same question by the trick. So this is the tricky method. So trick is what? To find sum of first and odd number is n square. So n is what? 5. So simply my answer will be direct 5 square. 5 square is how much? 25. This is the correct answer. But in aptitude exams, question will not so simple like 5 odd number. It will give you question like 40 odd number, 50 odd number, 100 odd number, and so on. So how can we find C? So suppose we are taking other example. Find sum of first. Suppose it is given, find the sum of first 35 odd number. Find sum of first 35 odd number. So if we write all 35 odd number and then we will add, it will take lot of time. So simple technique is what? Here given first 35 odd number. So our answer is direct what? 35 square. So 35 square is what? So you know the trick. I have already explained for finding the square of those number which have unit digit 5. So here 5. So simply you write 25. And remaining number is 3. So you multiply remaining number by the next. So 3 into 4, 12. So this is our correct answer. If you will multiply this number by simple method, just like 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15 to 17, 3 5s are 15, 3 3 are 9 1 10. So this is 5 12 2. So answer is what? 1225, and here answer is also what? 1225. So in this way we can find a square of number very easily with our trick also. So my question is, find sum of first 35 odd numbers. So trick is what? If there is a first n odd number, n square. So here 5 or 35 odd number. So 35 square. Answer is 1225. This is our correct answer. Okay.